Good morning.
Good morning. Here is good night, good evening
Yeah,
here.
Seyoung, thank you very much for joining us from Korea.
Yeah, yeah.
Ntrium does some really interesting work on EMI shielding
Thanks, thanks.
using kind of additive or spray or we'll hear other processes for kind of site selective EMI shielding for semiconductor packaging. So the stage is yours. You have something around 20 minutes, and then we go into Q&A. And if you're really overrunning, we step in. But
Okay.
good luck.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks. Okay. Thank you, Kasha. Yeah. Good morning, everybody. This is Seyoung Jeong, CEO of Ntrium. So it's a great honor for me to present this good event, and then let me start my presentation for semiconductor EMI shielding. Let me briefly introduce my company, Ntrium. The Ntrium is founded in 2013, so now it's a 10-year-old company. And then Ntrium was selected as SK Hynix Supplier Award winner, so innovative technical company. And then my name is Seyoung Jeong, and I majored in material science, and I worked for Samsung Electronics as a semiconductor packaging engineer for 10 years, and then I also was worked for IMEC in Belgium for 2 years. And then our main technology and product is like this. We have two kinds of core shell products, which is now on business for the conductive vids for ACF, and then also conductive particles for rubber socket for semiconductor test. And then today's main topic is about EMI shielding materials and process. And also we have the thermal dissipation material solutions for semiconductors. Okay, so this slide is, I think, is much most important and key slide. So let me explain briefly. The EMI means electromagnetic interference. So for EMI shielding, usually conventionally the shield can is now being used like this. But shield can has two problems. Firstly, EMI among components inside shield can is unavoidable, and also the shield can occupies a lot of weight and volume because the shield can is usually thick, several hundred micron thickness steel can. But Ntrium EMI shielding is done by unit level like this. Only 5 micron, 10 micron, very thin coating is enough for EMI shielding. So in principle, this component level EMI shielding is most safe process in terms of EMI shielding, and also this technology can reduce 99 more than 99% CO2 generation, and also the weight and volume is only below 1%. So here you can see two global popular products. One is iPhone 14, and one is a Tesla Model 3 Autopilot ECU. Here you can see the white check semiconductors, which is semiconductor level EMI shielded. With this EMI shielding, uh, this can prevent electromagnetic interference between these two chips and among these chips. But here, Tesla Model 3 Autopilot ECU, there are no EMI shielded components.